inviting me here. I'm really happy to share my view with you guys. Uh, 3 years ago, I had an occasion where I presented the similar concept, one sun, one grid, to our Prime Minister. I'm very happy to see that now we are discussing at a global platform level. I think I would like to mention 3 key advantages of a one sun, one grid. And one of that advantages that we can have the cheapest renewable power in the morning and evening to meet our demand, where renewable has a tendency to be available in certain hours. And this we can solve through one sun, one grid, where we can set up the plant in our neighboring countries in different zones. This other disadvantage we carry in renewable power is actually, it's a variation because of the weather. I think when we extend one sun, one grid, we will be able to handle that also, because our grid have huge inertia to deal with at one particular case if you have a lower radiation or high radiation. And the third advantage of what we can have is that when you are connecting the high radiation zone, you will be able to optimize the resources, solar resources, and you will be able to offer the competitive cost to the countries where solar radiation is not that much rich. But friends, as always, you have always technology which gives you advantage. It carries also something which we need to solve it. And on those areas, I think I would like to invite and share my view to all of you. The first point is the cost of high voltage DC transmission. We are still at $25 to $30 per megawatt hour. This is not sustainable. We need to bring it down to $10 per megawatt hour per 1,000 kilometers. And I'm sure it is doable. We have seen in solar cost innovation. I think we need to see here also. The second advantage also what we need, second challenge, we also need to see it, whether transferring electron to multi-thousand kilometers is economic or transferring molecule is cheaper. Today, we have an option of transporting renewable hydrogen, renewable ammonia, and renewable ethanol. So shall we build the grid of power, or shall we build the grid of something else? We build the pipeline where we can carry not only power, but we can carry other form of energy as well. And third important thing is, as always in infrastructure, when all the countries which are connected with the grid for certain period of time, when they start generating power, how do we handle this peak capacity in the grid? This is perhaps a technical challenge, which I had not thought of when I was thinking on the one sun, one grid. But I'm sure with this experience panel where we can always debate and find out a solution and really implement. Again, my congratulations to both the government, Indian government, as well as the British government to take up this cause. And I'm sure the innovator and technical communities will find them so to that. Thank you.